Okay, let's jump right into this explainer and demystify the invisible world of deep learning. So, ever wonder how your phone actually understands you or recommends exactly what you want? At its core, deep learning is just a matching game, mapping raw data to smart predictions. Take real-world inputs. Imagine feeding the system a terrible, sock-flavored restaurant review. The model processes those words and accurately spits out a negative sentiment prediction.
Or say we feed it a spreadsheet of housing data, like this property's square footage.
Boom, in seconds, the system outputs a predicted selling price of $340,000. It works for audio too. The model simply converts complex sound waves into digestible numbers. That lets the system easily predict and sort the track into a genre like electronica.
But how do these hidden internal gears actually go from raw data to those predictions?
It's a four-step journey, taking in data, crunching through hidden layers, predicting, and finally adjusting. Most rely on supervised learning, where labeled input and output data act like a teacher. The system grades itself using a loss function, which is basically its mathematical error score. Using gradient descent, it learns from those errors, constantly tweaking parameters to lower that score. And the deep part? That literally just means stacking layers to spot incredibly complex patterns. But here's the catch. This massive scale of data and compute brings serious social consequences. Since they train on historical data, models often just reproduce our own ingrained human biases. For instance, an AI might unfairly predict lower salaries for women based on flawed past data. Blindly trusting these outputs causes moral de-skilling, where we actually lose our own ethical judgment. Plus, needing massive compute power concentrates immense wealth into just a few giant tech corporations. You see, these aren't just technical glitches. They're profound social challenges for the next generation.
So, as future professionals, how will you navigate this ethical AI blueprint in your own career?